Let us see the colony of electron in this video. It is the s orbital of the first shell. S orbital of the first shell, that is called as 1s. First shell start with s orbital and is concluded with s orbital. Maximum confining capacity of s orbital or s subshell is 2 electron, and therefore in first shell maximum number of electron can be confined is 2. First shell is followed by second shell. It is the s orbital of the second shell. Spherical symmetrical motion of electron, that is called as s orbital. It is s orbital of the second shell. S orbital of the second shell is followed by p subshell. P subshell, that is subshells, p subshell 2p. P subshell has 3 orbitals, px, py and pz. Thus it is 2px, it is 2py and it is 2pz. 2px, 2py and 2pz, that are the orbitals of p subshell. P subshell, that second orbital, second shell concludes with p subshell. Therefore, maximum number of electrons which could be confined by the second shell is 8. 6 electrons can be confined in p subshell and 2 electrons can be confined in the s orbital of second shell. Thus, total number of electrons which could be confined by second shell is 8. By first shell, 2. Now let us see the third shell. It is the third shell. Third shell start with s orbital, that is s orbital of the third shell. This s orbital of the third shell is followed by p subshell, third p subshell. This third p subshell has 3 orbitals, px, py and pz, that is 3px, 3py and 3pz. This p subshell is followed by d subshell. D subshell has 5d orbitals, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is the x-axis and it is the y-axis. In between x-axis and y-axis there is a green plane, and this green plane is called as dxy. It is the x-axis and it is the z-axis. Between x-axis and z-axis is present a black plane. This black plane is called as dxz. Between y-axis and z-axis there is a red plane, and this red plane is called as dyz. dyz. Then x-axis and this is the y-axis. It is the x-axis and it is the y-axis. On x-axis and y-axis taken together there is yellow plane, and this yellow plane is called as dx square minus y square. And then there is a z-axis. Electron is moving elliptically along the z-axis, as well as it is going to create a ring. Motion of electron is going to create a ring. taken to present on x-axis and y-axis taken together. It is called as dz square atomic orbital. Thus, it is the third shell. It is the third shell. Then there is fourth shell. Fourth shell starts with s orbital, that is 4s atomic orbital. 4s atomic orbital is followed by p subshell 4p, that is 4px atomic orbital, 4py atomic orbital, and 4pz atomic orbital. 4p atomic orbital are followed by 4d atomic orbital, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 4d atomic orbital is followed by 4f orbital. 4f, that is f subshell starts from the fourth shell, and f subshell has 7 f orbital, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Thus it's a colony of electron. It's a colony of electron. Here there is s orbital of the first shell. It is s orbital of the second shell, is a px, py and pz atomic orbital of second shell. S orbital of third shell, px, py and pz atomic orbital of third shell. It is dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square atomic orbital of d subshell of third shell. Then there is s orbital of the fourth shell. S orbital of fourth shell is followed by 4p subshell. 4p subshell is followed by 4d subshell, which has 5d orbitals, and 4d subshell is followed by 4f subshell, which has 7 atomic orbitals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum confining capacity of f orbital is 14 electron. Maximum confining capacity of d subshell is 10 electron. Maximum confining capacity of p subshell is 6 electron, and maximum confining capacity of 4s is 2 electron. Thus, 4th shell maximum confining capacity of the first shell is 32 electron. Maximum confining capacity of the first shell is 2 electron. Maximum confining capacity of the second shell is 8 electron. Maximum confining capacity of the third shell is 18 electron, and maximum confining capacity of the fourth shell is 32 electron. This is a colony two-dimensional representation. It is two-dimensional representation of the colony of electron around the nucleus in a space around the atom. This is colony of the electron, and in this colony of the electron will be confined. That explanation of confinement of electron, distribution of electron around the nucleus in a space is called as electronic configuration, and building of electronic configuration will be studied in the next video.